NAVAN Machine's QGF120 automatic barrel filling line is specially designed for 5-gallon bottled water production. Equipped with an automatic cap removal system, it delivers stable and efficient mechanical operation to cut labor costs. It features a dedicated brush washing station paired with circulating water, which scrubs the entire outer barrel surface thoroughly to refresh recycled barrels. Barrels are flipped upside down for rotary internal washing. Multi-angle high-pressure jets wash away residues inside for spotless barrels. The single filling head ensures precise volumetric filling with steady water flow, accurate volume, zero leakage, and no overflow, perfectly matching standard 5-gallon barrels. The integrated auto cap feeding and pressing system forms tight, secure seals to fully package filled water barrels. The QGF120 automatic filling line runs stably with an hourly capacity of 100 to 150 barrels, an ideal machine for small and medium-sized water plants. Contact NAVAN Machine to obtain a quotation immediately.